All right, hello again, good afternoon, good morning, whatever time we end up doing this anyway. So, rotations today, rotations. We're going to learn how to rotate shapes on a grid. A little bit tricky, a little bit complicated, doing it without actually me being there present, without pen, tracing paper, and all the stuff, but I am going to try my best. For this, you will need a pencil, you will need tracing paper, and tracing paper is the only piece of equipment that you can ask for in your official GCSE exam. All right? Everything else you need to bring from home. Calculator, ruler, protractor, compass, pen, all that stuff you need to bring from home. In the exam, if you find that you need a bit of tracing paper to do a rotation, you can ask for it. Although, technically speaking, I suppose you could use a compass all the same. But anyway, let's see how it's done. So here we are. Rotation is another transformation, and with a rotation, literally all we're going to do is turn a shape around. There are three things that you need to know in order to carry out a rotation. Something called the center of rotation, which typically is going to be a point. They will give you the coordinates for the point. In this case, the point is 1, 1. You also need to know the angle of rotation. That means the amount of turn. How much are you going to rotate the shape? And typically, it's going to be 90 degrees or 180 degrees. Maybe 270, but one of those two typically. And finally, the direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise. And if you don't know your clockwise from your anti-clockwise yet, I cannot help you for now. So clockwise, the way the hands in the clock turn. So, as I said, you will need tracing paper. Tracing paper strongly recommended. So here's the question. You can copy that in your books if you want. Sketch it out. You got square paper, so it should work all right. Use tracing paper to rotate this shape 90 degrees clockwise about the point 0, 1. So the point 0, 1 is the red dot there. So you will get a bit of tracing paper and put it on top of the paper. You will get a pencil and you will trace the shape on the tracing paper, like that. Then you hold the sharp end of the pencil, the writing bit, on the center of rotation, on the point 0, 1. You need to hold the tracing paper there, and then you rotate the tracing paper 90 degrees clockwise. And very carefully, you see where the shape ends, and you lift your tracing paper carefully, and you will draw it on the actual paper, not on the tracing paper again. You need to be able to lift the tracing paper and see the shape drawn there, and you will label it in whichever way you need to label it. They will tell you to call it R or something like that. Anyway, that is it. That's how you rotate a shape. So pretty simple, easy enough. As usual, all you have to do is practice, practice, practice. Ask if you need help, and be careful. Sharp pencil, ask for tracing paper. Away you go. Good luck. See you soon. Bye.